Hello everyone. Today we're going to continue computer series. This is Latin differences. Uh, Today we're going to learn a very unique and precise thing, that is Google Translate. I know you might have heard it, but you may not know what Google Translate or what it does. Google Translate is a very important application that helps you to be able to uh, translate various documents, various languages, various communications, or you can also use it as a learning platform. Especially you want to learn a new language, you're going to a community where languages that you taught there is maybe something that not a user thing to you. Also, you want to fit in a community, and by learning the language, but of course, you may find that how do you get to know the basic thing may be hard. So the most important thing is starting to familiarize yourself with how to ask such few things by interacting with Google. So the Google will be able to teach you by using a Google Translate. You ask your particular thing in the language you speak well, or in the language that maybe English that you know better, and then the Google Translate will be able to translate you in the language you want. So I'm going to show to you that how Google Translate does this, and then how to go about it. So how do you get Google Translate? The most important thing, you have internet. When you have internet, then go to search engine. When you go to your search engine, uh, get your right side of the laptop, and then click on that menu that has Google app. So click on it. Let me make it wider, and you will see here Google Translate. Double click on Google Translate. It will be able to provide for you this interface. Now here you're seeing quite a number of things. You have a document that you want it to translate to you. This side is where you can write, or maybe you may write in a language that the Google may find out which language that, and then the translation will be here. So the translation you can also select it. They have a pre-designed or uh, yeah, they are pre-designed languages that are already listed on the Google form, but you can also search yours. Uh, But in case the language is not here on the three icons, you can still go on, select among the language you want. Is it Arabic? Is it Lulu? Is it which other language? Is it actually is it Luganda, Lingala? Which language do you want? Is it Kiswahili? All these languages you want. So let me select maybe Luganda. I want the translation. My what I'm going to speak in English to be translated to Luganda. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Osibiotia. You get it? So it gives you instantly. Good evening. So, then, how are you? How are you? Okawunkezi. Good evening. But this evening I'm asking, good evening, how are you? So, akawunkezi, obulungi muli otya, you get. So that is how it gives you. So you learn language day and day. So this is the beauty of Google Translate. It helps you to be able to learn basic languages before even you get to practical bit of it. At least you can have an overview of how some of these languages are, or how they sound, and so on. And then also, if you want, you can get even where you're translating from within a different language. Maybe which language are you good in actually, you want to write in actually and translate to the other side, depending on what you want. You can also write in a local language and then translate in the basic language that you want to learn. Let me check another language. Let me get Sinori. Let me check. Languages are quite so many. Yeah, you can select. There's so many. Maybe uh, yeah. But basically, that is it. You choose the language you want to select to, or you want to learn. And then, the one on your left side is where you starting to get your language from, then the one you want to translate is on the right side. That is it. And then you can also select a whole document that is being there before, and then you can be able to, or you want to interpret also an image. What you get on the website, you can upload and also get it over there. So that's how to use the Google Translate. It's a very simple thing. I hope learning language will not be a nightmare for you. You can learn any language within the country. Hope this is so precise and you learn something about it. Please like and share my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Thank you.